Hola a todos. Hello everybody. Welcome to the Spanish classroom. Bienvenidos al salón, al aula, a la clase de español. Today I want to bring to you the second part of the verb gustar. A few students didn't understand well how to use it, el verbo gustar in singular and plural. So I want to give you a little more details, in deep details about the plural side. All right. Okay, let's jump into verbo gustar or verbo like. So in plural, you say, a ustedes les gusta comer paella. Les gusta comer paella. So if I will use les gustan, it may be in grammar maybe sounds good, or should be sounds in grammar good, but when you talk, it doesn't sound good. It sounds like you're talking from the book. So in some countries, mostly it's in Latin America, even though we use ustedes les, which is you in plural, right? Les gusta. The gusta in this sense is referred to comer paella. Comer is just one action, right? So and then les gusta is referred to the singular comer. So it's not to the plural of you in plural, les gusta. I will give you more examples. A ellos les gusta viajar. So if I add an N at the end here, because we're talking about they, les gusta, a ellos les gustan viajar, it doesn't sound good because gustar, le gustan, wait, where is the arrow? If I place an N here, viajar is singular. So, les gusta viajar. I will give you another example. Now, here, les gustan los viajes. Yes, los viajes is plural. So you need to use les gustan los viajes. Les, to who? They, right? So we're talking about they. So les is the indirect object because it's talking about them. Les gustan viajar. However, if you write here, les gustan viajar, it doesn't sound good because gustar in the sense, the like it should apply to the action that they do. The action is viajar. So viajar in this sense sounds singular, no plural. Even though you're talking in plural, you're talking about them or they. Another example. So you need to say, les gusta viajar. They like to travel. The les is indirect object about indirect pronoun about they, right? They or you in plural. Ustedes les gusta viajar. I will give you another example to get more into detail. How is that? A ellos les gustan los viajes. A ellos les gusta viajar. So if you notice here, les gustan los viajes. So these gustans, they like it, is referred to the trips, los viajes. However, in the singular, however, even in the second phrase, talking about they in plural, viajar, the word viajar, is singular. So gusta is attached to the action viajar. Viajar sounds singular. Now, los viajes, the trips, yes, is plural. So it will refer to they. They like to travel in plural as well. So then, a ellos les gustan viajar. It won't sound very good when you do the pronunciation. So you have to eliminate the N. A ellos les gusta viajar. But even though people, when they talk very fast, right? So when they talk like this, a ellos les gusta viajar. To your friends, to your family, anybody, a group of people. A ellos les gusta viajar. O a ellos les gusta viajar. So, a ustedes les gustan las manzanas. Again, yes, it is well used. Gustan las manzanas. Manzanas. So, because apples, las manzanas, is plural. There are many apples. Many. So it's plural. But let's say if you talk about the cake or tart of apple, a ellos les gusta el pastel de manzana. Why gusta y no gusta? Because el pastel is one, is singular, is not plural, is singular. Even though you're talking about they. A ellos les gusta el pastel de manzana. Right? I hope then it's clear. I will see you in the next lesson of the Spanish classroom. Adiós, hasta la próxima. Chao, chao.